What's up everybody, Kyle here with HHMtv coming to you with another COVID-19 food-friendly edition, and today we are diving into the Big Mac. Yep, if you can't go to McDonald's right now and order a Big Mac, well, we're just gonna have to make them at home. So for this episode, I'm gonna dissect what's inside a Big Mac and recreate it at home and even find that special sauce. All right, so step one on how to make a Big Mac at home is you gotta know the ingredients. So I went to a McDonald's down the street.
Do you guys have any Big Macs?
Yes, I do.
I'll take one of those.
And bought one myself so I could dissect what's in it and tell it to you guys. All right, so here are the ingredients inside of a Big Mac. You're gonna need 2 all-beef patties, shredded lettuce, American cheese, pickles, onions, sesame seed buns, and that secret special sauce. Now, we don't know what the special sauce is, but your boy Kyle did some research online, and this is what I found. So to make the special sauce, you're gonna need a 1/2 cup of mayo, 1½ tablespoons of mustard, minced onions, a 1/2 tablespoon of barbecue sauce, 1½ tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of relish, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. When you do that, you should get the special sauce, and I'm gonna try mine right now. That's actually spot on. It literally tastes just like a Big Mac sauce. So that is the Kyle Thacker validation. Try this ingredients and you'll find the McDonald's Big Mac special sauce. The next step, you're gonna need to form your 2 Big Mac patties. Now I looked at the Big Mac patties on this one and they're just too small for me, so I'm going to use a 1/4 pound per patty because I'm at home, I'm hungry, and I'm ready to do this. The next step after forming your patties is you need to fire up the cast iron skillet to about medium heat. Once you put a little oil in there, go ahead and place your patties in there, and I'd recommend going for about 6 minutes, turning them every single minute. While your patties are cooking, go ahead and chop up your lettuce, pickles, and onions. Now the next step is actually kind of tricky because you're gonna need more than 1 sesame seed bun. You're actually gonna need 1½. So go ahead and take the top layer of another sesame seed bun and slice it in half. That's gonna be your middle layer for the Big Mac. Now your patty should be close to done and it's time to construct your Big Mac. The Big Mac is all about the layers. Starting from the bottom and working your way to the top, spread a little secret sauce over the bottom bun. Top with chopped onion, shredded lettuce, a beef patty, American cheese, and 3 pickle slices. Top with the middle bun layer and add more secret sauce, onion, lettuce, pickles, and then another patty. Once you do that, you are done. Put your bun on top and admire your Big Mac you made at home. So there you guys have it. This is how you make a Big Mac at home, and here is a comparison. You have the McDonald's Big Mac and then my big, juicy, delicious Big Mac on the left. So go ahead and give it a shot. Post a picture below of your Big Mac and let me know how it tastes, because I'm gonna try mine. This is Kyle Thacker with HHMtv. We'll see you next time. That actually tastes like a Big Mac.